Hi, my name is Glenn Hasselman. I'm just making this video for the free accounting software users to show you guys how to lodge a tax return in free accounting software. In this video I want to show you how error messages work on the tax return. So in the previous video I just put together a really basic company tax return and lodged it, and currently it's sitting there and it's validated. In this now I want to create an error and show what happens with that. So I'll just scroll down here, and I know that if I enter other sales of goods and services here, that it requires a cost of sales figure. Okay, and that's why I put a 0 in there in the previous video. But let's say you didn't know that and you just left that blank. Go down to the bottom and agree to the declaration. Select the machine credential and then lodge it. Okay, and when it completes the lodgement, it will display the error message. In this case, there's sort of two sets of error messages. There's the overall error message and this more useful error message here. And I guess the first step is to read it and try to decipher it. It says, trading account items are present without cost of sales. Include cost of sales to clear the error. So this is actually a really easily understandable error as far as they go in the tax return. Particularly as we've just removed the cost of sales to generate this error, it's pretty easy to understand. However, you might find that it's less easy to understand. In that case, you can try to click on this error message and it will hopefully take you to the field that has the error. So let's do that. And there you go. It's this case it's taken us directly to it. Now there can be situations where it's more than one field that has the same or similar name which could be generating the error. And in that case you can sort of click these search forward and backward buttons to get to that field. Basically what happens when you click this error message is it puts the field name into the search box and then searches to the first result. If you wanted to do that otherwise, you could just put here, you could just type cost of sales and then search, and in that case that will take us to the error as well, or to the field. So hopefully that's a bit of a tip to help you track down and correct validation errors on the tax return. I have to say it can be complex to do that because sometimes it's about the interaction of different fields. So the answer to one question means that different things are required. Anyway, if you try to lodge the tax return, you'll figure out what I'm talking about. So I'm going to do another couple videos on the tax return about how to attach a schedule, and so yeah, have a look at that. And anyway, I hope the video has been useful, and thanks for watching.